Alright, YouTube, so a rainy day today, and not taking the bike out at all, and just wanted to do a quick little video on what I can do to solve a problem of mine. I don't know if anybody else hates it, but I can't stand having all this stuff in my pockets when I'm riding. The phone, the wallet, some mints, my smokes and lighter. So I figured I'd share a little solution I came up for the Interceptor, and I'll show you what I got. So I have these great little tactical gear bags. They're not that big. They're nylon, it zips up. It's not waterproof or anything like that, but it's very handy. I use it on the Trail 125 to hold my wallet and smokes and phone and things like that. So I had one sitting around, and I found some scrap steel, which I ended up bending up, and then welded a couple tabs on it, and found a suitable mounting point on the Interceptor to mount this thing. So I'm going to go throw it on the bike real quick, and I'll show you how it all works. Okay, so here's the bracket mounted on the bike. It mounts up on these grab rail brackets, one that you use when you put the bike on the sides, on the center stand, and then the grab rail. Bracket sits right there, and it's kind of out of the way, and my gear bag will just slide right over the tabs. So I'm going to put the bag on the bracket. The only problem I had was keeping the bag from lifting up. So if I was riding and nothing was in it, the bag was going to ride up a bit. So I did end up welding a screw on here. So I have one screw that will hold the bag down and keep it in place and keep it from lifting up. Normally when there's stuff in the bag, there's enough weight on it where it's not going to be an issue. So let me throw the bag on here. Okay, so the bag's mounted up. Inside the bag I use a wing nut in here. It's a little hard to see, but that's what's holding the bag and keeping it from flying up. And it sits on this bracket pretty nicely. Kind of looks like it belongs here. So now I got a place I can throw my phone, slip right in here, my wallet, smokes, mints. It all fits in there. It's nice and secure, not going anywhere, and really doesn't upset the lines of the bike. I'm not looking to put luggage or a tail bag on this bike, so I think it's a perfect solution for me. Let me know what you think. Put your messages in a comment, and that's about it. So don't forget, ride smart, ride safe.